Consistency means doing the same thing regularly and in the same way. It means not changing often and continuing without stopping. In simple words, consistency equals doing something again and again regularly. Easy explanation. Consistency is important for learning, success, good habits. When you are consistent, you practice daily. Do not give up. Keep working slowly. Very easy examples with explanation. Consistency helps in learning English. Practice every day. He showed consistency in his studies. He studied regularly. More simple example sentences. Consistency brings success. Daily practice needs consistency. Exercise needs consistency. Daily life examples. Consistency in study improves marks. Consistency in work builds skills. Consistency in habits improves life. Student sentence. Consistency helps me learn English. Easy memory trick. Consistency equals do it daily.